Trader Zelman here at Trading Teacher on Twitter. We're going to talk about CELZ. The last couple of days we've been talking about creative medical technologies. What I want to do is just zoom in right now on the 60-minute chart. Each bar represents an hour. And like I said in the previous video, previous two videos, it looked like there was resistance at 7, then 6.5. Gapped up, but if you follow my posts on Twitter and the individuals who follow me about CELZ, you'll notice that I stated that it looks like it's going to try to fill its gap, which it has done so, but it's still in its trading range. I can't make sense. It doesn't look too bearish, but at the same time, you know, it doesn't look too bullish. It's in the trading range. There's a pattern. You know, it doesn't look terrible. At the same time, it doesn't look very great either. But, you know, this is, it still looks good. If you're long in this position and you're still in this position, I would have my stop. I would say right here, you see how I created a bunch of support levels. So this is the main support level. This is another level. This is another level. I will place my stop either right here at 0.045, or if you want to give it a little bit more room to run, it'll be at 0.0415 right here below this line. Other than that, you know, if you're holding it, hold it. If you took profits, you took profits. Best thing is always to take profits, at least take something off the table. Doesn't look too bad, and, you know, in the near future, it might test those 6.5s, and if it breaks, you guys can see hopefully 0.15 or maybe something even more. Once again, this is Zelman at Trading Teacher. You can visit my site at www.tradingteacher.com.